So, basic second years, good morning. Today topic KD table. So, what is KD table means? Given the set form, you can draw the one box and apply the operations. I am selecting e equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I is a group by using the KD table. Binary operation is dot. Binary operation is dot. So what happened means first draw the table. What is binary operation? This is dot. How many elements? 4. 1 minus 1 I minus I. This side 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay. So first you can write down this side elements, and this is box just to apply the binary operation. This is box. Binary operation is dot, nothing but multiplication. So selecting the process means this side 1 minus 1 I minus I, and this side 1 minus 1 I minus I elements. So what is operation? Dot. So in this process means first element 1 multiplying all elements. So 1 dot 1 1 1 dot 1 1 1 dot I 1 dot minus 1 minus 1 1 dot I 1 into minus I means each element is a multiplication. Next minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into I minus I. Next minus 1 into minus I minus plus only I. This side I into 1 I into minus 1 minus I into I into I, what is I square, but minus 1. Next to I into minus I into minus I. So I into I, what is I square, plus into minus I square minus I square means minus 1 plus 1. This is over. So next minus I into 1 minus I into minus 1 minus plus I minus I into I into I square means minus 1 plus 1 minus I into minus I into minus I. What is the operation? Is dot multiplication. So minus plus I into I square, nothing but minus 1. So this is the box is completed. And main important binary operation and given elements. Okay, this is a carry table. This is a carry table, and in this box you can select any elements. This must belong to this set form. 1 minus 1 I minus 1 minus 1 I and minus I. Each side you can observe the elements. Is any element in this box must is belongs to set form. That is one condition. So this is a carry is over. Next you can put the group means first you can apply the closure property. What is closure property? A comma B belongs to G. A dot B belongs to what is the operation dot. So A dot B belongs to A element is selected. Associated. A dot B of dot C equal to A dot of B dot C. Identity. A dot equal to A. In this case identity element 1. Because with respect to binary operation is dot. Binary operation is multiplication. What is identity element? E equal to 1. So this is over. Closure associated to identity. Inverse. Inverse element is condition. What this means? A dot B equal to E. A dot B equal to E. So B is the inverse of this one. So each element you can find out the inverse element in this table, very easy. What is identity element? 1. So in this first row, what is identity element? 1. In this second, this side, what is identity element? 1. In this side, identity element 1. In this side, identity element 1. Okay. So this is 1. Where is the identity element? This side. So stop. Arrow mark. So this 1 is a inverse of this one. Then this side identity element 1. Stop this arrow mark. So minus 1 is a inverse of minus 1. This is process. Inverse element. Actually inverse element definition A dot B equal to E. So 1 is the inverse of 1. Next minus 1 I minus I. So okay. So minus 1 is inverse of minus 1. Next identity element this side 1. Arrow mark. What is minus I? So minus I is the inverse of I. Minus I is the inverse of I. Nothing but B is the inverse of A. Minus I is the inverse of I. This side identity element this side. So arrow mark. So what is I? I is the inverse of I is the inverse of minus 1. Next one I element. So minus 1 inverse of plus I. Minus 1 inverse of plus I. So this is identity elements. You can very important and find out the inverse element. So 1 is the inverse of this one. Minus 1 is the inverse of minus 1. Minus I is the inverse of this one. Next I is the inverse of minus I. I is the inverse of minus I. So this is the inverse process. So main important identity element. This is the carry table. So given question G equal 1 minus 1 I minus I is a group with applying the carry table means this is process. So you can select another G equal 1 omega square is a group. So what is binary operation is given or circle or cross. So circle binary operation 1 omega square. So 1 omega square. So this is clearly table. So okay, 1 into 1 1. So binary operation is circle. Circle means dot main multiplication means total multiplication process. Multiplication symbol or dot symbol or circle symbol or cross symbol. Total multiplication. So 1 into 1 1. 1 into omega 1 into omega square. Omega into 1 omega square. Omega into omega square, omega cube, nothing but 1. Next omega square into 1, omega square into omega cube, that is 1. Omega square into omega square into omega square means omega square into omega cube, omega into 1 omega. So this is the process. So what is binary operation? Circle. What is identity element? 1. This is B is equal to 1. So this is very important. Given the set form, identity element is given or not. That is very important. 1 omega square. Draw the carry table. So this is circle. 1 omega square. 1 omega square. And one condition. What is it? Omega cube is equal to 1. And omega cube nothing but 1. So 1 into omega 1 into 1 1 into omega 1 into omega square means omega square. Omega into 1 means omega. Omega into omega means omega square. Omega into omega square. Omega cube that is equal to 1. So omega square into 1 omega square into omega cube. Omega square into omega square omega. So where is the identity element? 1 this side, 1 this side, 1 identity. So you can write down closure property associated to identity inverse. Okay, inverse property, one element omega, omega, one omega, omega square. What is inverse element? It's identity element. In this row identity element, in this row identity element. Okay. So one is the inverse of one because this element row. This side omega square is the inverse of omega. Omega square is the inverse of omega. Inside omega is the inverse of omega square. So this is a process. Given question applying the KD table means this is method, and some another symbols is given plus 5, cross 5, or plus 6, or cross 6. So this is another binary operations. First you can just simple given binary operation dot or circuit or plus direct to process this is, but you can this plus 5 cross 5 plus 6 cross 6. So applying another formulas depending on these questions. First you can practice this just given binary operations. In this side dot, in this side circuit, both are just multiplication process. Main binary operation and element, and you will select the inverse elements. This is a carry cable process. Okay.